Hey guys, today I will show you how to make a simple questionnaire with multiple answers. Let's start by adding a new script at the bottom left. Name your script. In this instance, I will call it data.gd. Double-click your new script to open it. Then go to the top and click Project, then Project Settings and go to the Autoload tab. From here, click the folder icon, then select your script and click Add. Go ahead and remove the pre-written functions. Then we will start by making a variable called list, followed by square brackets and curly brackets inside. Inside of the curly brackets, we will make two keys, one named question and one named answer. For the actual question and answer, we will be doing the following. Start with square brackets and then quotations. Inside of the quotations, you can type in your question and answer. Make sure to put a comma after the key. The reason why we use square brackets here is so that we can use multiple answers. I will show an example on this later in the video. First, we will get this thing running. After typing in your first question and answer, repeat this format by adding a comma after the last curly bracket and start with a new one. You can infinitely repeat this pattern for the amount of questions you have. Then, once you have all your questions and answers, we will click on the 2D button at the top. Then on the left, click 2D Scene. Press Ctrl and A to open up this menu. Then search for a line edit. Do this again, but now search for a label node. Make sure that both nodes are linked to the first node and not to each other. Then you can move around the node inside of the scene to position them. Then go back to the menu and select the very first node. Then click the script icon above it to make a new script for the scene. Start by making a variable. I will call it dict. Then write the name of your script with the questions in them. Then add a dot and refer to the variable inside of that script, which we call list. Then we make another variable that we will call dict_copy. Then type dict.duplicate followed by true inside of the brackets. This will simply make a copy of our array. Then in the ready function, we will start with dict_copy.shuffle. This will take dict_copy and randomize everything inside. That way we will always get the questions in a random order. Then from our menu, select label and drag it on screen. This will make a reference to our label. Then add a dot followed by text. Then follow the code shown on screen. Then for context, string.join basically creates a string containing a comma, and join will add the value after it to that. After join, we use dict_copy to indicate we want to use that array, followed by a 0 indicating we want to use the first position in that array, and lastly we indicate what key we want to use. In this example, that's either question or answer. We will use question because we want to display a question on the label. Then we delete the process function because we don't need it. Select the line edit on the left and go to the node tab on the right. From there, click on text submitted and connect it. Then just delete the first line. We will make a variable named correct and set it to false. Then we will do for answer in dict_copy, followed by index 0 and then answer. Then following that, if new_text equals answer, we do correct is set to true. This will simply go over every possible answer and check if they match the answer we put in. Then we do. If correct, then we do dict_copy.remove at 0. Basically, if our answer is correct, it will delete itself from the array. Then we want to change the label to the next question by typing if dict_copy.size is bigger than 0. Then we do label.text equals dict_copy. Make sure to use quotations question, because we want to display the next question. Lastly, we want to make sure it doesn't crash after we run out of keys in our array. We simply do if dict_copy.size equals 0, then we do get _tree.change scene to file and add the scene you want to change to. For this example, I will redirect it to the same scene so it just loops from the start again. Now that we have everything, we can try playing the questionnaire by going into the top right and clicking the play button. At this moment, we only have one correct answer. Let's go ahead and change that. Go to the bottom left again and click your script. Now simply add a comma in between your answers. Now you can put in any answer you want, as long as you have put it as such. And that's how you make a questionnaire with multiple answers.